if you have your own cabin, you can actually do your workout. So we're here at the train platform and I have two kids here who will ask you to
Subscribe! Right.
1:49 p.m. we are preparing for our short journey towards the railway station. We want to be there as early as we could because today there is a festival, a Muslim festival, and we don't want to be caught on traffic. Our train will depart around 4 p.m. so we still have time actually, and once we get there we will just probably relax, maybe buy some food and drinks. We have finally reached Varanasi railway station and we are early, so it's nice. We're gonna be able to catch our train towards Agra. So again, it is an overnight train, a sleeper train. It's gonna be longer compared to the first sleeper train that we took from Delhi to here to Varanasi. Alright, you are now looking at the facade of the Varanasi station. It's a very interesting architecture. Nothing I have seen in my travel. And as you may have noticed, there are a lot of people here right now. A lot of people traveling out of Varanasi. And we still have over an hour before our train departs. This is the lounge while we wait for our train. So we need to go up this foot over bridge, and that's it. And there are no escalators, so I have to carry my luggage. If you have a very heavy luggage, it will be very difficult for you. I think this is at least 20, maybe 25 kg. This foot over bridge is filled with people. Yeah, we're gonna have to go down the stairs, and again I have to carry my luggage down. Alright, I'll count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 steps to the first landing. 19 steps on that last one. So 19 plus 14, that's 33 steps in total. And we are now at our platform. So I'll just wait for our train here.
Is reported running late by.
So we're here at the train platform and I have two kids here who will ask you to
Subscribe! Right.
Yeah. Alright, the train is approaching. So there are people alighting. Oh, sorry. Oops. It's probably this train. Oh, we took the wrong door. We assume that it's gonna be the same as before. Okay, alright. We found our berth. Here is 5:20 and we're still waiting for the train to move. But they finally settled and I feel more comfortable this time and less anxious because I think I know more what to expect from this train ride. It's 6:09 p.m. and we're finally moving after waiting for I think 2 hours. Wow. Oh, yeah. hour and a half. That's right. Because we're on a single lane track and we had to wait for one train to move out. I don't know if this is gonna affect our arrival time in Agra, but we are hoping that we're gonna be a little bit delayed so that we'll get more sleep. We don't... Oh, there's a lot of interesting stuff happening. Things that you see here. Alright, I'm so happy that we got our blankets because I'm anticipating a cold night tonight on the train, and this is a nice blanket, and I also have a jacket, so I prepared for this sleeper train. 7:19 p.m. We are now setting up our bed again here on the sleeper train, and I'm just gonna show you. Oops, this is the pillow. Okay, it doesn't look clean, but they gave us I guess these are newly washed pillowcases, so I'll just put the pillow inside the pillowcase. Ta-da! And they've given us this as well. Let's see what's inside here. There's a small towel, this one, and then I have one sheet here and another one here. He also gave us this one, a blanket, because it's gonna be cold. And I'll just flip the camera so you can see where the aircon ventilation is. Hi, Andre. It's really cold and I cannot really sit properly because it doesn't have a lot of room. I'll probably just use this towel to cover the pillow.
Oh, that's so smart.
So now you have 2 layers over the pillow. And I'm gonna try to set this up. It's very challenging to set up this early because you don't have a lot of space. Ta-da! That's how you make your bed. There. So I was able to make my bed, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the situation here. Yeah, I cannot keep my back straight. My feet are actually at the end of the bed already, so I have to really try my best not to ensure that my feet are not exceeding that line there, because at night time when people are going to the toilet, they will hit your feet and you will not have a good sleep. That's what happened to me on the train from Delhi to Varanasi. If you have your own cabin, you can actually do your workout for your core. This is how you do it. Yeah.
Can you do the walk thing where it looks like you're walking in the air?
Oh, I haven't tried. Let me try and do that. Okay.
Oh! Wait a minute now.
Morning, everyone. We're still here at the train. It's 7:32 in the morning. Our train got delayed. We were supposed to arrive around 5, but now the estimated time of arrival is 8:30. So there was around 3-hour delay, which is actually better for us because we got more time, more sleep. 9:28 in the morning and we finally arrived. We just have 5 minutes to get off this train, and so need to move fast. Oops. All right. Okay. We're here at the station. Oh, it's definitely much warmer here. There are a lot of stores here selling snacks and drinks. And when I turn around, you will see the stores, the shops there. There you go. And we are lugging our bags up through this ramp. This is much better than the stairs back at Varanasi. So this is the Agra Cantt Station. There's actually a lift back there, but we're all doing the ramp. Oops! Wait, I think to do it this way. I just flip the camera and you see. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whew. Made it. In a lot of the tourist spots here in India, you can see police. And I noticed that in Varanasi, most of the police are armed. It's a relatively busy station at this time. Look at the walls. So that's the facade of the railway station here at Agra. It's much simpler, I think, compared to Varanasi. So I guess we just have to wait for our coach to take us to the hotel. And I'll see you later.